How to generate business videos with HeyGen AI. In this 2025 tutorial, I will show you how to create professional videos in just minutes. So make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Go to the HeyGen AI website and create or log in to your account. Step 2. Click create the video and you can start from scratch, translate a video, use a template, upload a PPT, PDF, generate script with AI, or PDF to video. Step 3. You can paste your script or let HeyGen AI generate one for you. So you can also use your template. Step 4. After choosing a template, pick an avatar and voice style that matches your brand tone. You can also add your logo, colors, and background images to make it professional. Step 6. Click Generate Video and wait a few minutes and download your finished video. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.